Hi, I'm Holly Clegg, author of the cookbook, Eating Well to Fight Arthritis. Did you know if you eat the right foods, it actually could help you fight inflammation? So maybe you're thinking, what are your top must-have foods you should always keep in your fridge? I have 3 delicious foods to share with you today, so let's get started. Salmon is probably my #1 must-have food to keep in the fridge. If you don't eat salmon, it's a great food to add to your diet because it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are good to help you fight inflammation. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3s, and you have to get them through your diet. Salmon is quick cooking and so easy to make. One of my favorite recipes is my oven-baked salmon with spinach and feta stuffing. But remember, you could always cook salmon in a skillet so easily. Glazed salmon is a quick cooking 4-ingredient recipe with a sweet glaze. Raw salmon lasts in your refrigerator 1 to 2 days after purchase date on package, and cooked salmon lasts about 3 days. My #2 must-have food to keep in the fridge is edamame. So if you're not a fish fan, no problem. Try edamame, or maybe you know it as soybeans. Edamame is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which we know help to fight inflammation, but it's also essential for the body to work properly. Edamame is low in fat, but it's high in fiber and high in protein, so it's so good to eat. I have so many ways for you to enjoy edamame. You can find edamame fresh or frozen and shelled in the groceries to toss in recipes. I like to eat edamame for a snack by the handful. I also have a great dip in my arthritis cookbook called guacamole. It blends avocado and edamame for a creamy, nutritious dip. And I have recipes with edamame in everything from pastas to salads. Edamame lasts in the refrigerator up to 4 days. My #3 must-have food to keep in your fridge is citrus. Oranges, grapefruit, limes, and lemons are a great source of vitamin C, and research shows that citrus high in the antioxidant vitamin C helps prevent inflammation and also plays an important role in growth and tissue repair. Start your day with a glass of orange juice. Have grapefruit for a morning breakfast or even a snack. Add lemon or lime juice to a variety of foods, from salads to marinade. Citrus will last in the refrigerator for several weeks to 1 month. So remember to stock your fridge with these 3 must-have foods. Salmon and edamame are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and citrus is full of the antioxidant vitamin C. Remember, everybody's condition is different, so you always want to check with your physician before you make any dietary changes.